To manage feedback and review system, first you need to log in your panel. For that you need to enter your email ID and password in the particular form and click on login button. Once you click on login button, you have profile on your device, and for managing feedback and review system you need to click on feedback and review option available in left side menu bar. After that you have multiple actions available on your screen like feedback list, customer orders, by which you can manage your system. First is feedback list. By clicking on feedback list you have the list of customers which made the feedback from using the link. Then after you have the customer over here, by which click on the customer profile. Over here you have the list of customer created from the panel or added from the feedback form. To add new customer you just need to click on add new customer button. After that there is a order details, by which clicking on that particular link you have the order list made by the users. Like whenever you create the customer manually from your side, at that time you can select your product and services to manage your routine business. Then after feedback suggestion is there, so you can generate feedback suggestion based on your requirement, and for that you have the list of feedback suggestion which you are add over here. And to create new feedback you just need to click on add feedback suggestion. Then after there is a message template option is there. To create new template or checklist of those template created from your side you just need to click on message template. For new create you just need to click on add new template, and for managing existing template you can manage from the list available on your screen. Then after there is a product section. For managing product section you just need to click on product, and by that you have the list of products, and if you want to create new product you just need to click on add new product option, and by clicking add new product you can create product or services based on your requirement. Then after setting option is there. To manage your feedback and review system just click on add your setting option, and by managing setting you can update your requirement based on your need. Whatever feedback form is required from your side just click on this button, and how to use we can learn further. So here multiple option is there to manage your feedback system. How to create message template in your feedback system. To create message template click on message template option, and by clicking on message template you have add new template option on your device. Just click on this particular button. First enter the name for the particular template you are creating. Then after the enter the subject name whatever you want, and code. In code you can enter the sequence number as per your QR template. Means if you enter the first template on your screen, means in your feedback system enter the code 1. If you are adding message template 2, so enter second number sequence as per your creation. Then after in HTML enter the message you want to share with the customer, and if you want to share custom link with your profile, so in field you need to select that particular link. If you want to share review link with this message, select the review link and paste at whatever place you want to share your particular link. By selecting this particular select field and enter, you can manage custom link added by the users. If you select the name in field and enter at here, at that time whatever name added by the customer in feedback form will be shared with this message. So to share the custom details you just need to select the field and paste at which position you want to share, and by clicking on submit button your message template is created and you can manage it as per your requirement. If you want to edit you just need to click in this edit button and add the details as per your requirement, and by clicking on submit button your changes will be updated. If you want to delete this particular message template just click on delete button, and by confirming the yes delete your message template will be deleted. So as per your requirement you can create multiple message template and use for your feedback system. So here we learn that how to enter message template in your feedback system. Then after we are learning then how to manage your settings. For manage your profile setting, your feedback setting, just click on add setting option, and by clicking on add setting option there is a multiple options available by which you can manage your feedback system. First is customer feedback form, that what are the details you want to collect from the customer side. You just need to click this button off. If you want to collect customer name, just click on this button, then customer email id or other details, whatever details you want from users. So click on this button, which details will be required from your side, from the client, when they fill the form. So whatever details you want to get collect from the user, just click this button on, and if you don't want to collect details, make it off. So as per your requirement in feedback form, you can select multiple details by clicking this button on. Thereafter there is a feedback option title, that whenever customers click your link, at that time they have multiple options available on their screen, like poor, medium, good and excellent. So you can update this title as per your business requirement and select the particular profile like admin or direct. If you want particular QR means particular review on admin panel, at that time select admin option over here, and if you want to redirect user to your Google profile, at that time select the direct option. So for filtering negative review, we can select admin option. By that customers review will be redirect to the admin panel and you can check from panel, and if you want to redirect to the Google profile, select the direct option. Then after, second option is feedback suggestion setting. If you want to get the manual review like poor, medium, good and excellent, this kind of option you want to share with the user at the time of review, you need to select the manual. And if you want direct review, like customer can directly redirect to the Google profile whenever they click the particular feedback link, at that time select direct option. So as per your requirement, select direct and manual review system based on your need. Then after, enter your review link over here. You can get this review link from your profile. Then after, there is a enable predefined review suggestion. If you don't want to share review suggestion with the user, click this button off. And if you want to share review suggestion, means whenever customers select the option like good or excellent, at that time review suggestion can be shared with them, so that they can copy your review and paste in your particular review whenever customer want to share your review with you. Then after, there is a redirect after form submission, means whenever customer fill the form, at that time if you want to redirect those users to the review, so for that you just need to click this button on. And if you don't want to redirect user after completing the form, you just make this button off. So as per your requirement, you can click this button on and off to use the functionality. Then after, there is a message template. Three type of message template you can use for the feedback system. First is message template, second is public form message template, and third is repeat customer. When customer created from the admin side, means whenever you create the customer from this panel, at that time message template which is selected from here will be shared to the user. So whatever template you want to share with the customer at the time of created from admin panel, you need to select message template here. Thereafter, second is public form. Whenever customer fill the details using the public form, means the feedback form, at that time whatever template will be selected over here, shared to the user directly on their WhatsApp. So you can select the custom template based on your requirement by particular action. Then after, repeat customer template is there, means whenever you want to share message to your existing customer, at that time you can select repeat customer template, and as per your need you can update from admin panel. So by clicking on submit button, your profile will be created and all the changes will be available. and after adding all these details, just click on submit button to save your changes. So here you can check that feedback form is generated and customer can enter these details, and once they click on submit button, they get the message on their WhatsApp number, and you have the customer list over here. Like first, and click on submit button. Once they click on submit button, the form will be submitted successfully, and in customer list you can check that the customer which created will be displayed in your list. And if you want to share the link with the user, here is your review feedback suggestion link, by which customer can select the particular option and give review to the business. So as per your requirement, you can create customer from panel also, and by clicking on submit button, means by using feedback form, customer can create it from their on site. Now we are learned that how to add customer from panel. To add customer from panel, just need to click on customer, and once you click on customer, all the list which is created from your side will be displayed over here. And to enter new customer, click on add new customer and enter the WhatsApp number. Once you add the WhatsApp number, you need to enter the client name and city. Whatever field available in this form will be managed from setting side, means whatever data which you collect from the user side, you just need to click this button on in form setting. If you want to share message when you create the customer, so make sure that this button will be on, and if you don't want to share message with the user, just click this button off. So as per your requirement, if you want to share message with this customer, click this button on, and by clicking on submit button, your customer will be created from admin panel also. You can check the details by click on view button. Over here you have the customer details. If you want to edit the particular customer, click on edit button to manage the update, and then after, if you want to remove that particular customer, click on delete button, and by confirming the yes delete, your customer will be deleted from the panel. So here you can manage your customer list by clicking on customer, by which you can create new customer from admin side and manage existing customers. How to add feedback suggestion in business profile. For add feedback suggestion, you just need to click on feedback suggestion option, and by clicking on feedback suggestion, you have add new feedback suggestion button. For creating new, click over here and enter the feedback suggestion whatever you want to share with the user. And select the particular option in which you want to display this suggestion. Like if customer select the good, at that time they have the feedback suggestion in their particular profile. Like whenever customers select on good option, at that time first you need to, means whatever feedback suggestion will be created from your side will be displayed over there. So you can add multiple suggestion, like click on add new suggestion, enter the suggestion you want to share with the user, and select the particular option in which you want to display this suggestion, and by clicking on submit button, your suggestion is created. Now whenever you want to show this suggestion in your profile, first you need to on this suggestion from setting, like click on setting button and enable this review suggestion option and click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, now whenever customer visit your review link, at that time by clicking on that particular profile, they have review suggestion which you add from your side. So you can add the review suggestion by which customer can easily select the particular suggestion, copy it and paste in your review. So by adding review suggestion, you can manage your suggestion list by clicking on feedback suggestion and enter multiple suggestion in the same option by clicking on add button. So over here you can manage your feedback suggestion. How to add product and service in your feedback system. To add product or service, click on product option, and by clicking on add new product you have product form on your device. First enter the product name or service name, then after enter the price and description. And by clicking on submit button your product or service is created. So you can enter multiple product and services in your feedback system by click on add new product, enter the name, price and description. As per your requirement you can create multiple services and products in your product section, and to enable this product section you need to click on setting option, and in setting option you just need to click this button on product section, and by clicking on submit button now whenever you create the customer, at that time this product section means the already product or services which you add you can add at the customer side. For add the product you just need to click on customer, click on add new customer and enter the new customer. By clicking the client name, enter the customer name, city, and over here you have add product option. You just need to click on add product, and whatever service or product purchased from the client side you just need to click on add button. You can manage quantity by clicking on plus and minus side based on your requirement and click on save button. So your product section is created, and in particular user these services will be added. So you can delete if you want to remove the particular product or services, and over here also you can manage the quantity. So as per your need you can manage quantity from here also, and order note option is also there. So whatever details you want to edit in this particular note you can update. And by click on submit button now in order details you can check that particular order is created, and in view option you can check the all the details managed from particular customer. So to manage your order details just need to click on order, and all the order list will be displayed over here, which you can filter as per your requirement. Like you can search from the customer name or mobile name, and also with the start date and end date you can filter the data of all the orders made from user. Product order is only created from the admin side, so whatever product will be purchased from client you can enter from here, and you can manage order details from clicking on order option. So here we learn that how to manage your feedback and review system. Here in setting there is an option of redirect after public form submission. So whenever customer submit the form, at that time they are going to redirect to the particular review link. If you want to redirect those users just click this button on, and then after there is a send message after public form, means whenever customer fill the form from their own side, at that time if you want to share message to those customer you just need to click this button on, and whenever customer fill the form and click on submit button they will have the message on their particular WhatsApp number added from form side. They get the message on that particular number if you click this button on, and if you don't want to share message at time of form submission you just need to click this button off. So as per your requirement you can manage your message template, and by click on submit button your changes will be updated. So as per your requirement you can use this feedback suggestion form and feedback review system in your business.